Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 20th of January 2022. Look at my chart. Yeah, I'm going to talk about Plug Power today. I'm going to show you what I'm looking forward to into the market for this particular stock. This is going to be my Plug Power stock analysis, so we can understand where the market is anticipated to go, and we won't be scared. We won't be nervous. I mean, look at my chart now. Yeah, I was being weak into the market on my last video in Plug Power, and look what happened. So we should not be afraid. We should not be nervous when price goes down because we expected it to happen. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price prediction without the confusion. Everyone else has that covered. You know, they all do the confusion. They all tell you to look at, 7, 8, 10 indicators on your price chart. They want you to do the fundamentals of all of these particular type of companies. I just look at the price and what everyone else is trying to do with the money, because money talks and everything else, which is noise, it walks. So keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, and also subscribe to our channel. Check this out. If you ever want to get the latest stock price prediction that I have for any particular market, any particular stock, it is right here. Yeah, being fully transparent with our community. If you find interest in Twitter or Novavax or Rivian, Micron, Pinterest, Pharma, Funware, Eyeless, Data Chat, Affirm, these are my latest price predictions right here. So if you ever want to see what is the latest one, come to this particular tab, playlist, and see that particular market, and go ahead and click on the latest video. All right, now let's talk about Plug Power, because the last video that I did was on December the 19th. I was playing the weakness into the market there. You guys can see that price continue to come down. Cool. I'm not surprised to see that. Now, since the high that came in on November 22nd to the close of yesterday, Plug Power has lost 55%. Now, one of the biggest disservice that these YouTubers are giving you all to understand is that they only view the market one way. You have to see it both ways. You got to see it as a buying opportunity. You also got to see it as a selling opportunity. You got to see both sides of the market so you don't become nervous, you don't become afraid, you don't question, and you don't be doing irrational things regarding buy the dips. That's irrational. Dollar cost average. That's irrational. What you need to be doing is don't buy the market at all until the market stops dropping, period. Just keep your money to yourself. Don't put it into the market, especially when the price is falling and you want the price to go up. Because many of these YouTubers are simply wanting you to dollar cost average because they want you to expect the value of these stocks to go up long term, i.e. 20 years. So they want you to keep your hard-earned money locked up for 20 years, right? Okay, good. But the market doesn't work that way. Check this out. Let me go ahead and get rid of this. It's a pretty good call from my last video that I did in Plug Power, right? Playing in weakness. It's around 27, almost 28%. Done. Now, let's look at this again, though. Okay. What are we getting? What is the market telling us in Plug Power? Yeah, it tells us something just by looking at this chart. What do you think? Are we bound to see the price go up now? Or can we continue to see weakness and price come down? You let me know, right? Just look at the chart. It speaks volumes. What is it saying to you? So now, since we broke this area of support, I really wanted to see the buyers in Plug Power to come in and prop up here. But seeing what happened yesterday, it seemingly looked like they're not there. So am I still weak into the market in Plug Power? Best believe it. Because if the market truly was going to find some buyers, they would have came in around $24, $25. And by us seeing this market continue to go lower below that price, it is what it is. This market is still weak in Plug Power. Secondly, look at this. This trend into the market in Plug Power is definitely broken. See that? So literally, we're trying to find a base. This is what the market in Plug Power is trying to do now. We are no longer in an upward trend into the market in Plug Power. I mean, this trend started all the way back in May of 2020. We're about to hit 2 years this upcoming May. This trend is broken. So we should not be bullish into the market in Plug Power. Now, Seeing how we have broken this long-term trend that started in 2020, seeing how price and the buyers did not show up around $24, $25, we still had to be prepared for the market to go lower, right? So let's see this. The next level is around 19. That's the next level that we need to see the buyers show up. $19. Okay. This is plug power on a 3-day. So I'm seeing around $19 and then $16 next. Okay. We should not be nervous. We should not be scared. We see what the market is telling us. And I really want to see the market hold $18. It looks like it's around $18.50. We really need to see the market bounce there. We already got history right there. This low was on $18.47 on this 5-day price bar back in May 2021. We need to see the market bounce there again. That's our next hope to see the buyers. But let's say they don't show up there. Let's say that they don't appear in the market at $18.50. The next level is going to be around 14. Yeah, those are my 2 price targets already. Just by looking at the chart. So first area is around 1850. That's still 12.5% market move to the downside in plug power. Next level, it's going to be around $14.50, 31%. Yeah. Is that doable? Can we see that happen as we go throughout 2022? You sure can. Especially seeing how we broke this overall trend. This is not a good thing for us to see this market and plug power break this trend. This is not a good thing. Right there. So in order for us to reclaim the ability for this market to become bullish again, we would have to see price do one thing first. We had to see price break 24. And then secondly, we had to see the market break back up above this overall trend. Until such time, we're just going to consolidate or we're going to continue to go lower. That's it. All right, so I'm in position. I got $18.50 first, and then I got $14.50 second. That's it. The trend is now broken in plug power. This is going to be my analysis. And then we bring this in closer because I want us to see this on the daily. And we're going to continue to be weak into the market in plug power until we see this price break back up above 28. Okay, even though I do see restriction down here around 24, 25. I'm taking up there to 28 though. I'm going to maintain this anticipation of price going down until we see this market break above 28. All right, so that's it. 2 price targets. $18.50 first. Second area, $14.50. Now, it's your turn. Drop me your price prediction real quick. Give me your price target as to where you think the market and plug power is going to go. You guys can see where I'm looking for the market to go next. It's your turn. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.